If you've ever bought a giant roasting pan only to realize it's way too big for everyday cooking, you're not alone. A lot of cookware today seems designed for massive family meals, which sounds great until you're just trying to roast a chicken for two people or bake a small sourdough loaf without wasting oven space. That's exactly where the Granite Ware 13-inch oval roaster stands out. Instead of trying to be oversized or overly complicated, this pan focuses on practical, everyday cooking for smaller households, couples, and home bakers who want reliable results without dealing with bulky cookware. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. The first thing that stands out about this roaster is the classic enamelware design. It has that old-school kitchen look that somehow still feels timeless instead of outdated. The porcelain-on-steel construction gives it a lightweight feel compared to heavy cast iron roasters, but it still feels durable enough for regular use. And because it's made from enameled steel instead of non-stick coated aluminum, it feels more sturdy and resistant to warping over time. What's nice is that this pan doesn't try too hard to look modern or premium. It's simple, functional, and clearly designed around actual cooking rather than trendy kitchen aesthetics. The oval shape is practical for smaller poultry, medium roasts, casseroles, and even homemade bread. And the included self-basting lid genuinely helps during roasting because it traps moisture and circulates steam naturally while cooking. That means meats stay more tender without needing constant attention. One feature people will probably appreciate more over time is how versatile this thing actually is. Yes, it works well as a roaster, but it's also surprisingly useful for baking sourdough bread, casseroles, vegetables, and smaller baked dishes. The fact that it can handle temperatures up to 932 degrees means you don't really have to baby it in the oven. That high heat tolerance is especially useful for bread baking because it helps create the kind of steam environment needed for crisp crusts and better oven spring. In real-world cooking, the Granite Ware Roaster feels refreshingly uncomplicated. There are no special instructions beyond basic care, and because the steel construction heats relatively evenly, food cooks consistently without major hot spots. It's also noticeably lighter than cast iron alternatives, which makes moving it around much easier, especially when it's loaded with food. If you've ever struggled lifting a heavy Dutch oven full of bread or roast, you'll probably appreciate that difference immediately. Cleanup is another area where this plan works in your favor. Since it's dishwasher safe, you can basically rinse it off and toss it in without worrying too much. The glass-like enamel interior also resists absorbing flavors and odors, which matters more than people think. You don't want today's roast chicken affecting tomorrow's bread or dessert. The surface stays relatively neutral, helping preserve the natural flavor of whatever you're cooking. Now, to keep things balanced, there are a couple of limitations worth mentioning. First, this is definitely designed for smaller portions. It handles up to around a 7-pound roast or poultry comfortably, but if you regularly cook for large groups, this probably won't be enough capacity. Also, while enamelware is durable overall, it still requires some care to avoid chipping if dropped or handled roughly. It's sturdy, but not indestructible. Compared to similarly priced roasting pans, though, the Granite Ware stands out because of its simplicity and versatility. Some budget roasters feel flimsy or warp under high heat, while premium cast iron options can become extremely heavy and expensive. This sits somewhere nicely in the middle. It's lighter, easier to manage, naturally chemical-free, and versatile enough for roasting, baking, broiling, and bread making without demanding premium cookware prices. Overall, the Granite Ware 13-inch oval roaster feels like one of those kitchen tools that quietly becomes more useful over time. It's perfect for couples, smaller households, beginner home bakers, or anyone who wants practical cookware that handles everyday meals without taking up half the kitchen. If you're tired of oversized roasting pans or heavy cookware that feels inconvenient to use regularly, this is honestly a pretty smart alternative. Check the link in the description for current pricing and availability, especially during the holiday cooking season when kitchen essentials tend to sell out quickly. And if you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stick around for more honest product reviews focused on real, everyday use instead of overhyped marketing claims.